Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ochlockonee River, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Suwannee River to Keaton Beach out 20 nautical miles, waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles south of Cedar Key to 39 nautical miles southeast of V Tower, moving northwest at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include V Tower, Buckeye Reef, O Tower, K Tower, Marker 24 Barge and Horseshoe Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Temperature was 82 degrees. The wind was southeast at 13 miles an hour. At Panama City Northwest, rain and fog were reported. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 448, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or midnight Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Calhoun, Gadsden, Jackson, and Liberty, and the following counties in Georgia: Decatur, Grady, Seminole, and Thomas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. These are the 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Bay County in Florida, eastern Holmes County in Florida, Jackson County in Florida, Washington County in Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Vernon, Bonifay, Chipley, Graceville, Bradford, Wausau, Esto, Noma, Brock Crossroad, Poplar Head, Johnson Crossroads, Sylvania, Spring Hollow, Sunny Hills, Smyrna, Orange Hill, Chipley Municipal Airport, 5 Points, Hawa, and Gilbert's Mill. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Florida. You're listening to The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lafayette County in Big Bend of Florida, northeastern Taylor County in Big Bend of Florida, northeastern Jefferson County in Big Bend of Florida, Madison County in Big Bend of Florida, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dowling Park to 13 miles southeast of Monticello, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monticello, Madison, Greenville, Lee, Alma, Dills, Ep, Lamont, Hamburg, Panetta, Erie, Nash, Dresden, Lovett, Casablanca, Henson, Sermons, Shady Grove, Fincher, and Ido. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Jefferson, Madison, and Taylor. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Madison County in Big Bend of Florida, Lowndes County in Georgia, Central Brooks County in Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Madison, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Park, Valdosta, I-75 at exit 16, Remerton, Dasher, Twin Lakes, Cherry Lake, Panetta, Valdosta Regional Airport, Kimberloo, I-75 at exit 5, Nankin, Clientsville, Blue Springs, Henson, I-75 at exit 22, I-75 at exit 11, and Naylor. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Madison, Florida, and Brooks, Georgia. The current time is The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in Georgia, southeastern Berrien County in Georgia, Lanier County in Georgia, Lowndes County in Georgia, northeastern Brooks County in Georgia, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spottenville to I-75 at exit 16 to near Quitman, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nashville, Lakeland, Adel, Valdosta, Hayhira, Sparks, Ray City, I-75 at exit 16, Moody Air Force Base, Remerton, Meigs, Morven, Cecil, Reed Bingham State Park, Barrett's, New Lois, Massey, Greggs, Hansel, and Allenville. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for South Central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Brooks, Georgia. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for north central Jackson County in Florida until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mariana, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Jackson County, including the following locations: Malone, Bascom, Greenwood, Blue Spring, Chipola Terrace, Mariana Municipal Airport, and Sills. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Florida. The following